Hello, Michael here. In this video, we're going to show you how to add text to your LiveText portfolio for each of the pages. You're going to need to add text for each of the areas for your LiveText portfolio. So you're going to need to go into your LiveText portfolio, log in, and you should be at your main page like this that I showed you in the previous videos. On the left is all your sections, and you're going to have text for all of these, and even the subsections, you're going to have text. Okay? So the good thing about the Delta template is it has descriptions of what goes in every box. If you click on all of them, it has it gives you an idea of what goes in there. And you want to make sure you delete that. That needs to come out and be replaced with your own text. So we're gonna show you how to add text to your personal page, and the rest of it's just redundant. So you'll see here the personal page, you go to the right, you'll click edit. Okay, that's going to bring this up. This is where you'll add your text right here. Okay, but what I want to show you first is it's a good idea to create a Word document, which I've already created, that is a LiveText working document. It is a lot easier to type in Word than it is in LiveText Portfolio. So if you go ahead and type in what your thoughts are going to be for your personal page, and then you kind of group this by your personal, your TLDP, your TCP. I didn't put them all here, but just to give you an idea, you want to organize it in your working document. And then you're going to type what you're going to say for each of the areas. And again, you're telling a story. You're telling about your journey, reflection of this program, doctoral program. So for personal, it's very simple. It's basically about you. It's a bio. So what you'll do is when you're done, you're going to copy your text like this. And then you're going to go to this page here, which I just showed you. Click the cursor at the end of the text that is telling you what to do and hit enter a few times. And then you're going to right click, paste, and you're going to get this window. In the window, you're going to paste again, and you're going to click OK. And then there's your text. Okay. Now you can come up here and delete this. Now, typically, what's going to go above all your text is photos. In the next video, I'll show you how to add photos. The next step for this is what you want to make sure you do is do a spell check. So when you know you're completely done with all your text of all the sections, you will copy and paste it back into Word to check for spelling. So like if I go in here and just misspell words on purpose, then so I'm going to copy and paste, copy, and then I just made a little header here. This is where you're just doing a spelling check, your last one, and then it shows up all here in the red. Okay, and the reason for that is when you're working, even though you're going to copy and paste it in here, you may read it and see, oh, I want to change this. You might make minor changes, and then you might have spelling errors and you don't know it. So even though you're starting in Word document and copy and pasting it, I highly recommend at the end, just as a double check, copy and paste every paragraph, all text, and just double check that you don't have any misspelled words before you send it to your cohort mentor for grading. So that is how you add text. You're going to click save right here. And then your text is right here. Now, let me show you how to change the font. So to change the font, you're going to highlight it. And then you have all the buttons up here. You can change whatever you want. So to change the font, you're going to click on that, the color, click on the color, and then there's, if you want to make it bold, you highlight it. You can make it bold, you can make it italic, whatever you choose to do. You can change the font as well. Here's the font over here. You can, whatever font you want to make it. you can change it there. Now the color, you want the color to be complement of your background. So it all kind of flows together. So that is how you add text and change the color and the font for your LiveText portfolio.